So let's look at the IONIC replacement vase. In my hand I've got the traditional bronze vase, and so many cemeteries are experiencing stolen and broken bronze vases. And of course replacing these is expensive, and if they are replaced there's always the fear that they can be broken or stolen again. The IONIC vase is an attractive and inexpensive replacement option. It's moulded in a high-grade polymer, it's resistant to UV and also the extreme cold. As you can see, the base of the IONIC vase is the traditional 3-prong, which fits the existing marker. But we also have the round base vase, which fits the round marker. And as you can notice, we have them available in a range of beautiful metallic colours.